my hair just grew. Everyone who knows me, you know I love the big hair don't care look, so I decided to like do this style again. I really didn't want to have it big. I kind of want it to look like it's realistic as much as I want a big hair don't care look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, make sure you watch this video till the end. And yes, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Subscribe and share this video to anyone you think is going to love this video. And also don't forget to watch Carol Teacher's video on how she did this hair, cause she did it a bit differently from me, and I saw it from her and was like, I have to do this hairstyle again because it was looking so amazing on her. So on YouTube she's Carol Teacher. You can also go and watch her tutorial on how she did this hairstyle. So with no further ado, let's head to the video. I got this hair from Sistar. Yeah, so it's a new product they have. So it's Max Fluffy Kinky Braid, and guys, I'm so happy they have like fluffy kinky, because only Angels and Darling had fluffy kinky. Actually don't know the actual price for this fluffy kinky, but you can just check any beauty shop around where you are and I think you're just going to find them. And I feel like they're a bit longer. Than the normal fluffy kinky we're used to. I want to use one pack for this style because I want the big hair don't care look. Yes, but I feel like you don't need to go for 2 packs. This part here, all these matutas I may leave out, and I really did quick cornrows. They are 12, but you can just do 10 cornrows. You don't have to do 12. You don't have to be specific with the cornrows. But the trick is, if you want a more fuller look, do thinner cornrows or more cornrows. And if you also want a more natural look, do small cornrows, thin cornrows, or I'm going to have 18 strands on my head, so hopefully they're going to fit because I really don't want it to be so big. I really don't want to exaggerate, but I just want to look, I don't know, normal, not too weird. Yeah, so make sure you also have your scissors. And normally, even before I start my tutorial, anytime I want to start doing crochet and it's something I'm going to detangle, make sure you cut the ends so that it's not going to stress you while detangling the hair. It's going to be easier for you to pull it apart. So after cutting the tips, just detangle. Wow, just detangle it. That is going to be harder than I thought it was gonna be. Yeah, but like I said on my previous video, whenever you want it to like shwa when you're in video, it's like no, you ain't gonna do this the easy way, so it like stresses someone. So this is the one strand. So if you want it to look combed, just like detangle it before putting it on your head. I feel like this is way easier. You wouldn't have to have the hassle of combing or brushing the hair on your head, and I feel you're going to lose a lot of hair when you do it while it's on your head. So yeah, do this first, then crochet it on your hair, crochet it on your head. Yeah, that is my opinion. That is how I prefer doing it. So if you prefer doing it any other way, that it's okay. Yeah. So normally, if you want to use fewer braids to crochet, especially if it's for this type of braid, what I normally do is, after crocheting, you'll find me taking this other side and I'll crochet it to the other next line so that it can spread out. So it will be hard for you to use many packs. You'll use this technique because you're spreading out the hair at the back. And also here the back doesn't have to be as much as at the front, because the front is where it's bigger. So around this area is where you always crochet a lot of braids, but also be careful while doing this area because more people tend to crochet a lot around this area than the back. So yeah, just keep on practicing, then you'll know how to just balance it out. Even be careful with your crown over here while crocheting, because you might end up looking like a bumpy look. Your hair will look bumpy, look like Megamind has